Hello everyone, today Steve will go to another very famous Asian town in Jiaxing, Zhejiang. I will show you later how the beautiful river and old houses around here. And as well, today I will test our self-powered push button to see the range, how far is it. Let's go! Look at here, this small river and very old architecture houses around the river, bridge, and I'm standing this bridge, and my colleague will stand over there, another bridge. The range is about 200 meters. Let's see how it works and does it work.